A leading furniture manufacturer faced rising costs and operational constraints from a legacy disaster recovery (DR) solution that no longer aligned with its evolving business needs. Working with Glasshouse Systems, the company transitioned from an inflexible, high-cost DR contract to a modern, cloud-based DR solution using Falcon Store and IBM Cloud Object Storage. Through a structured discovery process, GHS uncovered a larger opportunity. Migrating the company's final on-premises IBM Power 9 workloads to the cloud would not only streamline operations, but also cost less than maintaining the outdated DR service alone. This realization led to a broader cloud transformation strategy, enabling both production and DR workloads to operate in a fully digital, scalable environment. The shift eliminates manual processes, improves agility and security, and significantly reduces total cost of ownership. This project demonstrates how rethinking DR through a cloud-first lens can unlock long-term operational efficiency, financial flexibility, and infrastructure modernization across the enterprise.